I already applied my leave-in in the shower while my hair was soaking wet. I will be applying a little more before I move to the next product. Alright, you guys, so these are my final results. Now I gave it about a little bit over 24 hours. Day one, my hair still looked like Roman noodles. It was like crunchy. Now I do have more soft, touchable curls. Still kind of looks like Roman noodles, but that's how my curls look. But yeah, so these are my final results. My color is pretty much all the way grown out. But yeah, my hair actually feels really good, but we're gonna jump into the details of these products so that we can kind of weigh and compare as far as the promises that these products made, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So let's start with the first product. So the first product that you guys saw me use, of course, was the Double Duty Detangle and Slip Rinse Out and Leave-In Conditioner. So of course I did not use this as a rinse out conditioner. It's nice that it has the option. Before I addressed it as a leave-in conditioner, I would probably say I would not use this as a rinse out conditioner. I would need something a little bit more moisturizing. So I don't think I will reach for this for a conditioner, but for a leave-in conditioner, I did feel like it had good slip. It did leave my hair feeling moisturized. So yeah, overall I did like the leave-in. It set a good base for the rest of the products to be applied. Am I obsessed? Not really. It didn't impress me to the point where I'm like, oh, this product is like a holy grail, or this is a staple product. It didn't wow me to that factor, but I would definitely use it again. So that's my opinion on that. And then the next product, of course, was the moisturizer, and that is the Double Duty Stretch and Define. So let's address that, the Stretch and Define. So these products say that they're good for curly, coily, and shrinkage prone hair. So whenever products are like marketing towards that, you would think it would help with shrinkage. To me, I feel like I have more shrinkage with this wash and go than with some other ones, so I don't think it helped with shrinkage. But I have different thoughts about shrinkage. On one side, I'm like, shrinkage is a sign of your hair is healthy. But then, of course, we do want our hair to look a little bit longer occasionally because natural hair problems. You know, we do got some length. But, so I do have a lot of shrinkage. I don't know what that's about. But it does say that it's for shrinkage-prone hair. But as far as the pudding goes, it's very moisturizing. So I did love that. It's super thick, which I also love. It's a true butter. It's a pudding. So this product I really do like. And they just have a very nice, clean scent to them. It's nothing overpowering. And one thing that's really good, and I do use Creme of Nature. I have a couple of their other products. Their price points are pretty good. Now, these seemed a little bit higher than some of the other products I've received, or not received, but purchased from Creme of Nature. These were like, I want to say $7.99 a piece, which, you know, you're spending like $25 for 3 products, drugstore products. So as far as price point goes, I'm not like super impressed with it. I'm good as a moisturizer, so I'm just not like blown away, guys. Like, I love giving you my honest feedback. Would I run back to the store to pick this up? I wouldn't, but I definitely will use it again. So that was the pudding. And then lastly was our styler, which is the Double Duty Elongate and Define. Once again, I don't know how it's elongating my curls, so I don't know about that. I don't even know what to really say about this jelly. I mean, my wash and go looks good. Don't get me wrong. Like, my wash and go looks good. I don't anticipate it lasting a super long time. I probably will get maybe 3 days max out of this wash and go. And you guys, I'm on the hunt for like my holy grail products. Like, I feel like when I first got into the whole natural hair game, certain products worked for me so well that now I pick them up and I'm like, this does nothing for my hair. So I'm definitely on the search for those holy grail products. This just kind of left me like, it wasn't anything that I'm like blown away by. But so yeah, but comment below, you guys, if you've tried these products, and let me know your opinion. And also just let me know like your favorite wash and go products. You don't even have to have a similar curl type or anything like that. just let me know what your favorite products are. I'm always looking for product recommendations. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching. And like always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.